Now I'm going to show you how to download the Scratch project file from the Scratch official site without sign-in, without Scratch account. So usually you will search at here, for example, your favorite game, maybe it's Mario. If I search Mario and press enter here, these are other people's project file that already shared to the public. I right click and open in a new tab. Then you can direct play at here, play the game at here. However, if without Scratch account, you are unable to remix it, you are unable to download it. But you still have a method. It is a very easy method. So now I will give you this link, the forest.github.io/sb downloader. So you just need to enter this site. Now I right click to copy here, and I open a new tab. Use Ctrl V to paste here and press enter. Now you can see the title is SB downloader. What you need to do is you go and copy any of the Scratch project URL. Just need to copy this. Right click to copy, and then go to the SB downloader and remove everything here. You highlight it this way, and you press backspace to delete. So use Ctrl V. You highlight everything and Ctrl V. Now you can see once you already paste here, you press enter. You can see 3 buttons are here. What you are going to do is go and click the SB3. Click the SB3 and it will automatically download it into your computer. And that is an SB3 file. And if you don't have any of the Scratch account, how to open the SB3 file, it is very easy. Next, first you open the file location. You right click the file explorer, and then you click the downloads. You will open the download folder, and the SB3 file that you downloaded is this one, 2176968. I may press F2 to rename it, and I type Mario because this is a Mario game. And next, what am I going to do? I can go back to the Scratch. Now I close the browser. I want to open the mario.sb3 file and I want to edit this as my project file. Then I can just enter the official site, scratch.mit.edu, enter. I can direct click start creating without sign in, without join. I click start creating. And you can see the SB3 file is the offline Scratch project file. It's already in your download folder. You just need to click File, load from your computer, click the download folder. You just rename it the mario.sb3. You can double click it. Then it will load the project by using the Scratch Online, but without any account, without signing in. Close the tutorial, and you can work on your new project file here, and this is grabbed from other people's shared project file. Alright, the second method is you can use the Scratch offline editor. This is the Scratch 3. Scratch 3 offline editor. If you already installed the Scratch offline editor in your computer, you can just open it and use the Scratch offline editor. Click File, load from your computer, and click your download folder. That is a mario.sb3. You can double click it and it will load by using your Scratch offline editor. And now you can work on this project file. You can modify it. And that's all for today about how to download other people's project file with the Scratch project file as SB3, as the offline SB3 file, download into your computer without signing in. That's all.